Okay, I am really excited. I found a new seller on Etsy. A friend recommended them to me. They said that they are out of Alaska and they're just kind of getting their business going. And she has done some really fabulous hand-dyed yarns. And I decided, okay, I actually have a little bit extra in my budget this time. I'm going to give this a try. So and I got my package today. The name of her user on Etsy of her shop is Burning Leaf Yarns. So let's take a look and see how this goes. I'll put the information also in the comment section below. Okay, so this is what we've got. It's called Blue Sea, 70% Superwash Merino and 30% silk, 231 yards, and I got 2 of them just to make sure I definitely had enough to do a project once I decide exactly what I'm going to do. But these are gorgeous. They feel very soft. They look nice and even. And she wasn't asking a lot. I think it was close to $20 a skein, just over $20 a skein. And for the hand-dyed yarn, that's not bad at all. So I will update when I get a project made. But go ahead and check her out. She doesn't have a lot on there right now. Like I said, she's just starting, but she's definitely worth looking into.